Okay, I'm just prepared for my outfit for today to go to Shake and Shack. I'm so excited for the family and friends event here. See you, Shake and Shack. Patrick. We're here at Beach West. We're going to St. Patrick and then walk by, go to Dundas.